this perfection, Grimsby, all in the open sea, surrounded by nothing but water and imagination.
So today we're presenting the Little Mermaid Jr. We have 107 kids that are involved in the show.
Whoa! What a swim! Scott, look what we found! More human stuff, eh? Can you tell us what it's for? Wow! This is special!
It's about a little mermaid where she falls in love with a human.
Come to me, my little sea sparks. Mama's feeling woebegone. Banished to the nether regions of the sea. No food, hardly any company. I'm simply wasting away. Poor Ursula. Yes, poor me.
Ursula is the sea witch that essentially gives Ariel her legs so that she can go on land and go on that 3-day adventure where she tries to make the prince fall in love with her.
Shoot! Miss, are you alright? You seem very familiar.
And it's about her journey of how she falls in love with the human and eventually gets married to him.
I want to know. I want to be where the people are.
We had two students, two 9th graders, design the set. So they came up with image boards and renderings and notes, and they gave it to my group of parents, and my parents built what the two girls designed.
Really fun. It's Part of Your World has always been one of my favorite Disney songs, and so it's really fun to be able to sing it and be a Disney princess as every little girl dreams to be.
Ursula was a really good character for me because at any point you can change how Ursula is. She can be evil, she can be sassy, she can be sad that she's where she is in life, but there's a lot of character development that I could go through with her.
It's taken us a lot of work, hundreds of pool noodles, thousands of little crepe paper balls, just so much stuff's gone into it, but it's been amazing. The kids and the parents have been fantastic. Closing night is Tuesday, March 19th. It's at 7 o'clock. Tickets are $4, but you can call ahead in the office and reserve some tickets if you need them.
You know, I really ought to know your name. Maybe I can guess? Alexandra. Annabelle? Beatrice.
Ariel. Her name is Ariel.
Ariel? Ariel, hey, that's kind of pretty. Okay.